And happy Monday to you. Hope you've had a wonderful start to the work week. As we look outdoors, we're seeing rain for a while. We'll take a look at that in just 1 minute. First alert weather days coming up Thursday and Friday. It's a system we've actually been tracking since the middle of last week. Again, so we've got the system we're tracking and also just an overall weather pattern change. And we'll talk about that here. In fact, what is known for us, general timing of this system. Wednesday evening through early Friday. The potential is there for snow. Some areas rain, others snow. And again, we'll get the details of that in just 1 second. And it is going to be cold. That is one thing that we definitely know. Friday, next weekend, and even beyond, it looks like it is going to be much colder than normal for this time of year. What is still uncertain is the track of the storm. Weather models, a little bit of disagreement there, a little bit of uncertainty. Of course, as we get closer, that will come into line and we'll have a better idea of what we are expecting. I do want to show you those weather models, a European model. This is taking us out Thursday morning, a little bit of snow in northern areas. So I think whether we get to Wednesday or Thursday and Friday, I should say, especially if you head west or you head north, you are going to be in that snow. We're going to stop this at Thursday evening. This particular weather model showing mainly rain with some snow, of course, off to the west. This system would be pretty quick movers, so we could see a little wraparound snow here, but it's going to exit out of the region pretty quick, so not expecting much snow. Then on Saturday, another system looks like it is on the way, also a quick mover. Now we look at the other weather model because this one is showing a much better chance for snow Thursday night into Friday. In fact, we're going to stop it right here early Friday morning. You see right there areas in blue indicate we're going to see snow. Now this is also, again, this weather model showing a quick moving system, but there will be enough snow there if this weather model pans out to where we might get an inch or two of snowfall Fargo. And again, the farther west and north you are, the much better chance you have of seeing some of that snow. Now, interestingly, this weather model on Saturday is not picking up the snow that the other one is picking up for Saturday. One thing that's also assured is the western half of the state going to see a much better chance of snow and much more snow than what we are going to see in our area. Heavy snow possible. This is from late Tuesday through late Thursday night. Again, west of our area, 60 to 80% chance of 6+ inches of snow. We're not going to see that. Current conditions 59, partly cloudy in Fargo. North wind 21. Notice where the rain is. Grand Forks, Devils Lake, also much cooler. They're on the other side of a cold front, and we've seen that light rain for several hours now, so a much different story weather-wise today depending on where you are located. You see that rain continuing to spread. The James River Valley all the way up through Northern Valley into northern Minnesota. We're seeing pockets of light to moderate rainfall. 49 Grand Forks, 59 Fargo, 59 Detroit Lake, 61 in Fergus Falls. So again, those warmer numbers, they are farther south. As we look at our hour-by-hour forecast, we'll continue to see that rain train over basically the same area between Fargo up through Grand Forks. A little bit of rain. We're going to see a few rain showers overnight in Fargo, even into tomorrow morning. Otherwise, we get to tomorrow afternoon. It's going to be cloudy. It is going to be cooler out there. Highs a little below the norm for this time of year, mid-40s to low 50s. And again, going to have that cloud cover throughout the day. Again, you look at our numbers right here, 51 Detroit Lakes, Fergus Falls, 51 in Wahpeton, 51 Sisseton, 52 in Fargo. Otherwise, we're looking at 40s. Now we get to that 11-day planner. And again, Thursday, Friday, you see them in red. That is our first alert. Those are our first alert days. You can see it getting cooler. Again, really the key period here, Thursday night and Friday, because that's when we have the best chance of seeing whether it's the rain, whether it's snow. I think it's going to be a little bit of both. And again, we're really going to watch this thing. How much snow might we see? But again, I think the bigger story overall really is going to be those cold temperatures. 36 on Friday, low 30s for highs for the weekend.
No quick rebound after they did. Staying chilly for a little while.
It is staying chilly right through at least Halloween.
All right, thanks, Russ.
Yeah.
Later on Valley News Live at 6, Minnesota Governor Tim Walz kicked off his infrastructure tour today. We'll show you his first stop in 2 minutes.